Welcome back to the topic Microservices and Centralized Logging. Today we'll discuss how to create Kibana Dashboard. Let's go to the Kibana. Here if you see that there are 34,606 records and let's see it's a label logger label. If I add it here, there are different logger labels like warn, debug, info and error. So I will create a simple report and then I will create a dashboard and import that particular report into the dashboard. Okay, let's go to the visualization part. Visualize, create a report. I will create a simple pie report, pie chart. I will take the customer service index of Elasticsearch and then I will generate split slices and I will generate the report based on terms. In terms, basically the fields of data fields basically. So it fields. I'm selecting label keyword. Yeah, if I click here, you see there are different colors is showing and the count is already there. So if I go to option and show labels and then execute once again, yeah, it's showing the error is 6.84%. Okay, and if you want to play around that, you can do here. You can add the sub buckets and additional buckets also. Now I'm saving the data. Save it. Logger label. Logger label. Okay. I'm just saving the data. Now I'm going to create one dashboard. Uh, Click on here. Click a new one dashboard, and then click on add. If I have that, the sales report is already is a search report, so that I can also import, sorry, and then I can import the logger label. So just created the report logger label. I'm importing that. I'm importing another sales report, which is the save search on top of uh, the index. Let's close here. Yeah, you see that both are imported here. Now we can save my dashboard. You can save my dashboard and you can put the description whatever you want. Now save it. So your dashboard is ready. It's loading here. So the next time when you want to edit or change anything, just go to edit, and if you want to add anything, then you can also click on the add option. Otherwise there are different options are there. You can edit visualization directly from here. You can go for a full screen mode. You can delete it from the dashboard, and you can customize the panel as well from here. Okay, so once you edit it, and you have to save it once again. And the next important thing is that sometimes you need to export your dashboard and import later. So in order to export the dashboard configuration, you need to go to management, then saved object. You can click on here, and you can directly export it. Okay, so if you export it, it will generate a JSON file. Yeah, it's basically ND-JSON file. You can export it and put somewhere else, and whenever required, let's say you want to import in another environment like your test environment from dev server, just go there in the save objects in Kibana, import it, import that particular file, so your configuration will be imported there. Thanks for watching. This video is a part of a video series based on the topic microservices and centralized logging. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe the channel.